Good morning.
Time for another trip adventure.
Yeah.
To Kentucky.
Right. So instead of going to Alabama for the third time in a row, we're going north. Taking the shortcut around the long way.
Have you guys ever been to the Harley Drags? Because we haven't.
No.
We're going to take you guys along. I'm pretty excited. I guess they go like 200 miles per hour.
So it's going to be some fast bikes.
Should be an exciting day.
Go see some cool wheelie bars.
We're going to go meet Chris. He's coming along with us. And we'll see you guys here in a bit. Well, we just made a drink stop. We are in Bowling Green. We're 9.8 miles away from the track. We stopped at Casey's, and I want to know why Murfreesboro doesn't have a Casey's. Casey's were everywhere in Missouri. I love their cream cheese danishes, the breakfast pizza.
The breakfast pizza is really good.
We need one in Murfreesboro. That's all I got. So we are at, what's this place called?
What's the name of this place?
What's this place called?
Beach Bend.
Beach Bend?
Beach Bend Race. Beach Bend Raceway.
That's where we're at.
I love mine.
Hear them motors?
Well, it's 11:30 on a Saturday, and all the food vendors are either not open or don't have food, except for one. We're gonna walk back and get it because we're hungry. That's crazy.
Definitely crazy.
Maybe we need to start a food truck.
I see some racing. He stalled that puppy. What the heck was that? That was a weird sound coming out of a motorcycle. $132 miles an hour. Hot dog.
And the other bike on the right blew something out. So we're on break, but I'm wondering, why are all these racers so tall? They're all like
big boys
huge,
and tall.
Like,
they'd be like jockeys and be all
yeah,
small
a little
and they'll
Asian
be faster.
man. Wouldn't he go way
Asian
faster? Just saying, sorry. I'm Asian, so I can make fun of Asians.
Right. Get
yeah,
Susan out there drag racing.
No, I told Chris, I said, that one lady went 166. I'd be lucky to go 60 miles an hour.
Right.
I'd be like, eh.
She was fast though.
Yeah.
Fast.
Just an observation.
30 seconds.
Another side note, this cannot be good for your hearing because I feel like my eardrums are vibrating when these bikes take off.
If you're already deaf, it don't matter. But you might need some hearing aids when you come to a drag race.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, they're totally vibrating.
And this ain't even like NHRA. Wait till we go one of them one day. Ooh.
I guess they have a little bike show. Smart parking.
Yeah. Right on the hill like that. That's ridiculous.
Well, that was fun.
That was, yeah.
Pretty
that's
sure.
Pretty cool.
Pretty sure I'm a little more deaf now, though. And you're probably really. Well, you're already deaf.
Huh?
You're already deaf.
What?
Next up, don't know. Well, imagine that we forgot to talk. We went to Double Dogs. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, Double Dogs to go eat.
Yeah, Chris picked it out.
Y'all saw that when we passed it.
It was good. We're super full.
Yeah.
Now we're going to Cabela's.
Yep.
And Chris headed home, but we're gonna go check out Cabela's because we just don't have one close to home.
No, we don't. We could have went home tonight, but we figured get away from the house, get Susan away from her computer and work, and yeah. So
Just join our time together.
Well, good morning. We were gonna go to the track and go check out some more of the races and watch Tony, but as Susan's about to show you,
We're trying to beat the rain. There's a huge
it's like
storm rolling in. And if we hurry, it's not in Murfreesboro. So if we can get out from underneath this.
Not till 11.
Yeah, so we can get out from underneath
100%
this.
thunderstorms at 11 till about 3 or 4 tonight.
We're gonna make it, right? We're the two Journey Junkies. So we're usually more prepared. Didn't have a rain gear on because we thought we could beat it.
What's up? That was a good ride.
Another great weekend.
See the rain?
We didn't get to do everything we wanted.
I should have listened to Susan and we should have just put on a rain gear.
But that's just part of the adventure.
That's right.
So it was fun. Never seen bikes go that fast. It was loud.
Yeah, it was loud. It was really cool. I like to go to the NHRA and watch the for real. I know those guys were for real, but the NHRA are for real. Anyway, that would be cool to go do that.
So this weekend we are going to THUNDERMAX.
Throw down?
Moto Farm is having a camp out.
Yep.
We're not going to hit that part.
Not doing the camp out part.
We're too old to camp. Is that such a thing? But
Susan has to work on Friday. She gets off a little late at work, and it would take forever to get up there and then set up. But
really, I don't want to camp. But anyway, we are gonna meet on Saturday morning
for breakfast.
Right in with everybody to THUNDERMAX's event. So that should be fun.
Yeah.
And then the following weekend is Smoky Mountain Bike Week.
Yep.
Which is always a good time. So hope you guys are out there enjoying this amazing weather. Even if it rains, it's okay.
That's right. So yeah.
And then we'll see you guys on the next one.
Y'all have a good week. Bye.